October 10th, 2022. It's finally more or less done. The MacIntosh 2, this is from, I don't know, 89 I think we decided. This was the second Mac 2 that I purchased. It was purchased by Doug Canwisher because I had used my university discount for the year. It's got a few scuffs on it. I don't know how to get those off without discoloring the discoloration, so I think I'll leave it alone. Anyhow, here is the SSD, if you want to call it that. It's got a little SD card. There it is, 8 gigabytes, and it's easy to pop in and out. I have that backed up, an image of that backed up on a hard drive, so if something goes wrong with the SD card, I can flash a new one. And I guess I should probably back that up now and then. This is a serial port, and I'm not really sure what the purpose of that is on this particular model of SSD. Let's start it up. As you can see, I placed the LED behind the eject hole. I may reprint that bracket in black. I think it'll look better in black. And also you won't have this light conduction here if it's black. This baby boots right up, no problems. I've got two partitions, one for 6.0.8 and one for 7.1. They both work great. Let me go ahead and pop the lid. As I said, I think I'll reprint this in black. The cable routing's a little funky. I think it could benefit from a couple wire ties. Same thing for the LED wires. Otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. This has an 8.24 video card in it and an Asante MC3NB new bus Ethernet card. I can't believe this thing is finally essentially done. In other good news, this case had a cracked loop, and I had been agonizing over how to repair that, and it turns out that plumbing glue for PVC pipe is available in a version that works on ABS, and that stuff just dissolves the plastic and welds it. That's what I used here. And my little hoop is, hoop, whatever, is now one piece again. I'm very happy about that. Alright, that's all I got to say about that.